You know, when you guys started out, and that's when we first did our show, हमारा भी season 1 था, हम भी नए थे और आप भी नए थे, okay? And you guys were starting out, guys were telling me all about your stories during COVID, okay? And how you started. And from there, today, you have stores, physical stores across India. So just give me a gist of how it started, where, and where are we today?
Yeah, it feels like yesterday though, when we spoke. But I think we take every day as is, then we are focused on the next day. And we are not people who think that is year end ke baad itne to hone hi chahiye stores, the revenue should be this. Of course, the AOP is there, proper planning is there. But that doesn't drive us. What drives us is that whether we are able to give people constant work or not. And the number of weavers that we are working with, which is 17,000, is that a stable unit? Is that a family? But yeah, it's a long journey.
Yeah.
And
so starting from, I think for people who haven't seen our first episode, don't know us. So we started, just the two of us started it from our own house, and then we moved to a small garage, a little garage with like a shutter. And then we just had 2 weavers who agreed to work with us because nobody was agreeing to work with us, and 1 employee. And then we kept growing, and there was an episode in COVID though when we actually grew 3 times in COVID.
Correct.
So that was the biggest jump in our growth, and also that was the time which made us realize that as a business you cannot stay small. Growth is inevitable, and I have a responsibility to grow and also grow the community. So that was the realization.